Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be cooking with this company called Sunbasket. And the reason why I felt the need to do this video was because Sunbasket is basically a food company that provides you with seasonings, the meat, all the ingredients that you need to cook the meals. And with me being a college student, I know that some college students actually live in apartments, and I feel like this would be like an easier, convenient way for people to eat healthier and basically have the food shipped to your house as well. So this ain't no sponsorship, so I ain't even about to go into detail for them, just for the simple fact that I ain't getting paid. But I know that this could help college students and even young adults, as they are like starting off like living by themselves, which is like my audience. So stay tuned. So basically I'm gonna be cutting up this onion, but I'm just gonna talk to y'all a little bit about how college is going. And y'all hear that buzzing in the back? It's my washing machine. I gotta dry one of those. Basically, it keep making a whole bunch of noise to tell me that it's done. But anyways, like first of all, I feel like making friends isn't like the easiest thing for me to do. People say I'm very friendly and like very open. I mean, very easy to talk to. I mean, you know, there's their perspective of me. Like, I don't feel like I'm just an outgoing person. But what I did was, we have this school group chat. Make sure that you're in there to not even like trying to like force it. Like freshman year, a lot of people I knew of, like they probably came from the same city, like they knew each other, or like their cities were like small. I live in Houston. Matter of fact, the suburbs of Houston. Every person that I pretty much knew from Houston, majority of them lived on the north side. And if you ever look at Houston on the map, compared to like somewhere like Memphis or I don't know, like somewhere in Mississippi or even some of the Louisiana cities, that those are very smaller. They're smaller than not very smaller. Ew. They're smaller than Houston. So whenever like I met Houston people, it was like, oh, you from Houston too? At what part? Then somebody be like, they'll say their city and be like, I don't know where it is. But I'm from Missouri City. But yeah, back to what I was saying about the friends thing. Make sure you have friends like that. And for me, from being there for 4 years, I probably know one of my main friends that's deciding to leave. And I'm leaving too, obviously. Like, make sure you have a group of friends. Don't you have to be in the same major as you, because most of my friends, period, they don't have the same major as me. Some of them, they have the same major as each other. But the thing about it is, like, make sure y'all have fun together. Make sure, and y'all all need community service hours. So go to the community service hours if y'all have nothing to do. If y'all don't have no like car to drive to get somewhere. Make connection with your teachers during that time. Y'all have the same teachers. Like, we have some of the same teachers, even though we don't have the same major, but it's pretty much all the same. So I can go in there, talk to your teachers during office hours, and get your letter of recommendation. Because for me, as a pharmacy student, I need to make these connections because next year I'm going to be applying for College of Pharmacy if I stay with pharmacy. And just to initiate, it helps with your mental health. Like, even though complaining is not a good thing to do, complaining with people that you don't understand, like sometimes that's like a venting like mechanism or whatever, so you can just get through the day. Somebody that understands. You might not have no solution for it right now, but at least somebody understand. Because if you over here venting to your parents and like, make sure you get your grades good and stuff like that, ain't nobody trying to hear that. We all know, get your grades. But anyways, I'm with my friends. Like, I'm being very sad to like leave them next semester, but like my mom and like other people say, once you make your college friends, them gonna be some friends that, you know, you can't break that bond. Let's get into this cooking. So right now, I chopped up my onions. I think it's my first time seeing the avocado shell. I mean, not shell, seed. This is crazy. This thing like a walnut. So I have an avocado in the bowl, and then I'm gonna put all my chopped onions in here as well. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I got the chicken on the stove right now, and it should be probably like halfway done. Y'all see them beanie beans in the back? Y'all, why does chicken take so long to flip? Thumbnail right now. This chicken is packed. And I'm gonna introduce some more people on the channel. Like, I wanna make new friends and like just show y'all significant other. But I have like no ideas like what to do, like that tag stuff, like my significant other like tag or my new friend tag. I'm not really up for that. Like, okay, the trends on the reviews, but with the the trend on the reviews, but starting in like new ways, it's gonna like give you like more beauty than you thought, because you're the originator of the trend. Period. But I was thinking about doing like some questions on campus too, like really like wacky questions, you know, just to see if, you know, my baby rights in the late history. I don't know how long she's supposed to be cooking for. I think the thing said it was like 46 minutes, but that just don't sound right. Yeah, 46 minutes, child. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this chicken down, cut into it, and then we're gonna see what it's talking about. Mind y'all, I don't cook like that. All them girls that be over here saying their mama and their grandma taught them how to cook, like the black people that be, like, I'm black. But in this household, okay, hey y'all, I'm back. And we finished the salad, and I'm gonna refrigerate it just so it can be cold, because the chicken is still kind of hot. But this is it. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video, or y'all enjoyed the video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to share to your friends. And hopefully you and your family, you and your friends, you and your roommates, classmates, college students, y'all can make this meal either with her. Hopefully you guys can make this meal through Sunbasket or even just by yourselves. So thanks for watching. Bye.